Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I wanted to cover how to stop going around and round in circles. I hope you get an insight from it, and I'm hoping that it gives you the sort of aha moment, the sort of, if you find that you're going round and round in circles, if you find that you're not making the money that you want with affiliate marketing, I think this video will really help. Also to say, check out the link in the description. I've only got one spot left for this, which is to have the whole thing done for you. So if you're interested in making money with Clickbank as an affiliate, what I do with this offer, there's a full video that explains everything, but what I do with this offer is pick the product for you, set up the entire funnel for you. So I'll just give you an example of what that would look like. So it won't be this exact funnel, but what I mean by funnel is set up a series of emails with really good information written in a specific way, and the information is delivered in a specific way, so you actually get conversions, and the whole thing works around actually helping people. And I know that sounds sort of really obvious, but think about the last few email lists that you sign up for, and did you feel that you actually got help? Okay, it's normally you sign up and you get something for free, which is normally good, and then the sales emails start, and that's it. Okay, so if you want to make money as an affiliate, what you have to do is have a series of contacts, and the way you do that without annoying people is to make sure that you're giving really good information. So that's the offer. That's what I do for you. I set you up an entire funnel. I pick the product out for you. I write the emails. I do the videos for the funnel. And the coolest thing is I give you all the traffic that you need. Now, the way I do that is by social media, and I go out there for you and start generating traffic, so you get opt-ins to your funnel, and then you make sales. And then once you're making sales, there's also, I've included a bonus here where you get done for you Facebook ads. So once we're making sales, once you're generating opt-ins, we take your Facebook pixel. Don't worry if you don't know what this means, but we take this Facebook pixel and we use that information on Facebook, so you can retarget the people that have seen your page that haven't opted in. So now you're getting more and more opt-ins, more and more sales, and then you can start targeting different audiences on Facebook ads, and I do that for you. I actually give you the Facebook ads to use and the audiences to use. So this is a complete offer where you just get the whole thing done for you. So do check it out. I've only got one spot left. And what I wanted to talk about today is to help you, if you're watching this and you want to make money with Clickbank as an affiliate, I want to just cover how you can stop going round in circles. Okay, so number one, I want you to think about, and I wanted it to be sort of interactive, I want you to think about what you're doing right now. Okay, so maybe you've been trying to make money online for years, maybe a few months, a few weeks, or a few days. It doesn't matter, but the way to break free of going round and round in circles is just to make a mental note of what you're doing now. So day to day, what are you doing with your time? What have you constructively built that you're working on consistently? Now, the reason I mention that, and it doesn't matter what your answer is, it doesn't matter whether you're like, oh yeah, I just need to get up and running and I just can't seem, that's cool, I'm not knocking it. I'm saying this, we know, or we can agree on this fact, that the way a sale's made is Clickbank Marketplace, so picking a product in a good niche. So let me just pick one out just to show you. Doesn't matter about the niche, I'm just picking. So let's say we go for this one. Use text to make men love you, or the X Factor guide, or whatever it is, okay? It doesn't matter. But the fact is it solves a problem, okay? Whatever product you pick, like an info product, will solve a problem. Okay, so let's say you get a perfect niche area, okay, that you're going to serve. The next thing we know is that you need a funnel. Okay, now you could just take that product straight off Clickbank and go and promote it through your affiliate link and send them straight to the sales page. But if you did that through paid ads, you're probably going to lose money. You've also got nothing to go back on if they don't convert, because you can't speak to them again, they just click off the page. And your conversion rates are going to be lower. Okay, so when you're paying for the traffic, or even free traffic, you're going to have to do a hell of a lot of work to even get one sale. So we know that we need a funnel of communication where someone opts in for something, and then email 1, email 2, and it could look different to this. It doesn't have to be this funnel, but we know that we need to have numerous forms of contact with the prospect or with the people interested in solving the problem. Okay? And then the big thing is, you know, that you need traffic. Okay? And what you want to do is, with the traffic, is you want to make sure that you know who you're serving, like the individual. So with all of this stuff, let's say we went into the expat niche. We know that we're speaking to males or females or both. We know that we're covering a certain age group. So you want to get it right down, so you're speaking to a person, like a person. All your marketing speaks to one person. And then you send traffic calling out to that audience. So it's so easy now. You've got YouTube, you've got Facebook, you've got Instagram, where you can go and start getting traffic straight away. I'll just show you. Okay, I just want to show you some of my YouTube videos just to see the views of them. And we know that if you're not just on YouTube, but if you're using Facebook, if you're using Instagram, and this is the important thing, if you're calling out to people that you want to serve, that's how you get the targeted traffic. So with traffic, what a lot of people run into a problem is that it's difficult to get traffic. Okay, it's either going to cost you time or cost you money or cost you both. Okay, so you've got paid ads, that's great, but unless you know who you're targeting, unless you've tested, you're just going to lose money, or it's going to cost you so much to get in front of people. If you do free traffic like this, it costs you time making the videos, and you need to make sure it's optimized to actually bring in the people with the title and so on. Because we know that the only people that are going to watch this video, like want your own Clickbank product, this specific video here, are people interested in that, otherwise they wouldn't be watching. So it's the consistency behind building up traffic. So if we have a quick recap, I'll just show you another one here. So you got a free Clickbank niche and funnel plus what to say. That was posted a few days ago. It's already had 56 views, and it will keep on generating traffic and clicks to this link. And it's the consistency behind it. You can't just go, when this one was posted yesterday, you can't just go and post one video and think that your life's going to change or that you're going to get enough traffic. You really need to go at it hard to get the amount of traffic, so you've got people coming into that funnel, and you're offering good help and you're making sales. Okay, so the three things are a good niche area, a good funnel set up properly, okay, and then traffic. And what I want you to ask you, this video is how to stop going around in circles. If you want to do this, ask yourself, and I know it's really simple, are you actually doing that? Okay, so have you got a Clickbank niche? You might say yes or no. Have you got a funnel set up that actually works, that offers help rather than selling? And I'm not on about a sort of cut and shut funnel or anything like that. I'm on about a specific funnel where you've really thought about helping, where you've got enough contact, like email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, main offer with bonuses, then a survey gets sent out, then you develop a product idea or sell another affiliate product off the survey results, then a webinar presenting that with a bonus, and maybe some more emails down here. Have you got a funnel set up like that? And if you haven't, that's cool. We're just working out, this is how you stop going around in circles. And then then you got the traffic, okay? So when we're dealing with traffic, just dealing with the free stuff, how are you generating targeted traffic? Are you working on your business day in, day out, and doing this stuff? And doing these videos. Each of these videos cost me time to do. And I don't care whether they bring in 26 views, whether they bring in 56 views, whether they bring in 116 views, and some of them bring in thousands. All I do is consistently build the traffic to my offers. And if you do those things, you'll make money. And the way to stop going around in circles is simply this. If you genuinely want to do this, decide today. Decide that you're genuinely going to do it. And here's my suggestion. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just want to give it to you. I just want to give you my best information. Maybe you won't like it. Maybe it's stuff that people don't want to hear. But it's the stuff that's brought my best results in. Okay, this is stuff I was talking about. I'll just show you this because I found it. It made me laugh. This is stuff I was talking about way back in 2010 when I was asked to do a guest blog post on Clickbank as one of their premier in the Premier Club on affiliates, and also as a product owner, and did a guest post on how to stand out from the crowd and increase your affiliate marketing profits. 2010. When I received a Premier certificate off them, another one in 2011, another one in 2012, another one in 2013, and one in 2014, and one in 2009, and one in 2008 as well. So I've used Clickbank for years and years. And the reason I'm telling you that is because the stuff hasn't changed. The tools have changed. But if you want to make money, you can get out there and you can do it. But you have to decide, and you have to be constructively working on your business. And to save you a lot of going round in circles and time and effort, if you're just buying up the latest products, and if you're going round and round buying the latest software and so on, that's all good, okay? But have a look at the money you're making. Have a look at like your time, notepad and pen. What did you do specifically this week? Okay? So yes, there's some learning involved. You might be brand new and say, well, Chris, I don't know how to do any of that stuff, and you have to learn it. But don't get caught in the cycle of just learning and then implementing a little bit and then thinking, oh, I'm doing it wrong, and go back to learning. It doesn't need to be perfect, but it needs to be consistent, and it needs to be a lot. Okay, so if you have a product, if you have a funnel set up, and when you're sending that traffic, you're not just posting one video a week, you're posting 3 or 4 a day, packed with really good info and actually your own content. And that's hard to do, but that's what's required. And if you do that, that's how you stop going around in circles, and that's how you make money, and that's how you start really pushing it up and getting sales in. So if you want me to do that for you, I'd love to do it for you. I've got one space left. You'll find the link below or in your email if you've received this in email. This hasn't got a lot of time left on the timer. I've put a bit more time on. 1 day and 4 hours, but there's only one spot left. Let me do the whole thing for you. Watch this video. See exactly what you get. You also get a full guarantee that it works. And that's the way you can stop going in circles. And I also make sure that you got all of the knowledge to do it yourself. Okay? You get a huge amount of traffic sent, you get the complete funnel set up, and you get a niche that will actually sell. And the messaging is built to make sure that you get conversions. If you want a head start and to stop going in circles, grab this today, grab the final spot, and I'll set everything up for you, and you can get going, and you can have a proper funnel set up that you can model for any product that you want to promote afterwards as well. So do check this out. Check out the video. I've put the link below. If you're watching on Facebook as well, you'll find the link in the comments or the box. And let's get going, and let's stop the endless. I see, you know, I just shown you, just to finish, you see this article in 2010. I actually started using Clickbank in 2005 or 6. I think it was 2006. And in all that time, I've seen people go around in circles for years and years and years. And all you have to decide, I hope this is received well, but this is the honest truth from the heart. All you have to decide is that you're actually going to do it. Because you probably already know, if you've been around for that time, or if you've been around for a while, you probably already know what you need to do, and you probably already know that there's no quick fix. There's no special software or special insight that you're going to get in an ebook, or special product that's going to launch that's going to make this stuff easier. Break it down. The way you sell anything, but let's deal with Clickbank and online, is to solve a problem, okay? To have a product that solves a problem, easy as an affiliate because you can go and pick one. To be able to communicate that you can solve the problem and actually sell, okay? So speak about what they're actually going to get from buying it and how it works. And the best way that you can do that without being salesy is actually help. Actually give them some help along the way. You don't have to give away everything, but you have to give them some help along the way so they're actually getting some results and moving forward, and then the product's more attractive, okay? And then you need traffic. You need people to see your offer, and the only way that you can do that for free is to work at it. And you don't have to work like a mad dog, but you know, anyone can find time to post 2 or 3 videos a day, which are 5 minutes each. And it's going to be hard to begin with, but it's that consistency. So you keep it up, and like the Clickbank, like the YouTube videos I showed you. If you're getting 50 views a day, it doesn't matter. If you're getting 60, it doesn't matter. If you're getting 30, it doesn't matter, because consistently, some of your videos will get loads more traffic, and some won't. But consistently over time, you're getting all of that traffic in, and you're building up an audience. And you'll be making money by that point. And that's as simple as it is. So if you want to stop going around in circles, focus more on what you actually need to do without it being perfect, and focus more on the work that you need to do. So at the end of each week, you can say, I've done this. If you need to pick a niche, get that done this week. If you need to build a funnel, actually constructively get that done this week. Not just learn how to do it, just move forward and then cover each hurdle as you come up to it. Otherwise, you'll be stuck going around in circles. And last thing I'll say is just look at where you've come. So if you've been trying to do this for a long time, look at constructively what you've got out there that will actually bring money in. And if the answer is not much, that's cool. You know what you need to do. So I hope that this helped. I wanted to give you a from the heart. That's my honest opinion, honest viewpoint after spending nearly 15 years online, and after working like I do. That's the only difference. Okay, if you want to do it together, I'd love to do it with you and set this whole thing up for you. Do check it out. I've only got one spot, and then the price is actually going up double. Okay, I'm going to close off the spots a bit after this spot, but then the price is going up double. So if you just want to get everything done for you, check out this video, grab it today, and I'll speak to you really soon. I'll actually email you, and there's a welcome video, and we can get started straight away. But watch this video for all the details if you're interested, and I'll see you inside. Cheers, guys.